Communication isn't just about words, it's about connecting, sharing, and understanding each other. But for many autistic individuals, communication can look different. Some may speak fluently, while others use fewer words, gestures, or even assistive devices to express themselves. Every method of communication is valid. What matters is being heard and understood. Many autistic people struggle with understanding body language, tone, or hidden meanings. That's why it's important to communicate clearly, using simple, direct language and giving them enough time to respond. Visual aids like pictures, charts, or communication boards can help make messages clearer and reduce frustration. For those who use AAC devices or sign language, patience and consistency are key. Caregivers, teachers, and peers can support better communication by being good listeners, focusing not just on the words, but on the feelings behind them. When we adjust our communication style instead of expecting them to change theirs, we create true understanding and respect. Because communication isn't about speaking the same way. It's about connecting heart to heart, in a language that feels safe and genuine.